Jamaica Good Life, we're on right now. This is Randy farm. We'll plant some sweet pepper here. So thank you. What you do for give the land nutrients?
Nutriment.
Yeah, like make it, after you clear it, what you give it? Like food for the land. Fall shit?
No, I reach over goat manure.
Goat manure?
Yeah.
So you have goat manure over here?
Yeah, I can get couple bags for you.
Couple bags?
I'll line up for you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You have enough goat?
I have about seven yards. So with them coming every time, I miss and through the day, you just dry out some, just get a shovel and bag it up, you understand?
Okay.
Good. Like when you plant seed pepper now, you just drop it, you can't, when you plant seed pepper and you catch up, you can't cut that grass and drop it in the diamond. Dry grass, keep it cool. Keep the seed pepper cool. When you catch up,
You put the dry grass on it.
Yeah, night diamond. So, you keep it cool. And then when you see the tree get hard, you can't cut them. No cutter, you can't manage the diamond.
You mean the grass right when you plant them?
No, when it catch up.
When they catch up.
Good.
At the
Before
grass
they reach. Yeah, before they reach. To bearing stage.
Yeah.
You throw the grass and pat the grass in the diamond. Keep it cool. Yeah.
So now, one say you take the stone them after going because things hide under the stone them.
Stone?
Yeah.
Not really. What's that? I don't know the stone, man. It's the grass is the problem. The stone is not the problem.
The grass.
It's the grass. You get the grass over your land first.
Why you get the grass off your land?
So you have to put the crop you have to put now.
Yeah.
Type of crop. You have to get rid of the grass because we cut them down. Sheep pepper.
Yeah.
Cutter, we cut them.
The cutter working at the grass?
You cut up, you crawl. There's your plants now. You can buy the guy stuff. This stuff,
Yeah.
put that inside. So you plant it, you have it chop. Just throw the stuff powder, watch her. How you line?
At the line?
You have to throw none inside, just keep on the line. Outside, and
For the
outside.
snail.
Outside them all come. Like on the side of the tree. The tree also. You understand?
But the rain will destroy the slug powder. How often do you use it?
No man, really not this time man. Nah, what you say easy. Something.
Okay.
I will come out cry. And then can't cry past it. Something can't cry past it. Some powder.
But how long you stay upon the ground?
A week.
A week. So every week you put slug powder?
Not every week, I know, make sure you know. When you catch up, when you catch up, I'm sure when it's stout, like the finger, you go into bearing,
The cutter can't cut them.
calm and again.
So you have to protect the land with slug powder.
Yeah.
When them little,
Yes.
the cutter go cross the land and
Cross
come.
and cut them all the way for that.
Yes, Jason, you hear that? Can me tell him, you know?
Yeah.
Already a cutter come and start cutting now.
Cut. Right now. And I look at come and time, you don't see none. That's a good day. You can't see them, you see none.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put him, them
I
bar,
advise you to get the powder.
the powder.
Yes,
So
man,
then-
I'm sure, man.
So
No,
let me
man.
ask you something now. The cutter,
The bat. Like bat. Okay, bat.
them
Bat,
little,
Yeah.
them even up on the light bulb too.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, man.
And enough of them is up on the light bulb, you know? Like them ready to start in the thing.
Yeah, that manage them.
I want to make them. The light bulb, I mean, why them come out now? I mean, never seen none before.
The cutter,
Yeah.
entire plant quick crop, then come out.
Them turn off plant off,
Quick crop.
catch crop.
Yeah, then come out, lot. Double time then come out. Yeah. Like when they know say land clean up now, you know.
You know, say they don't clean up?
Yeah. So like when you plant this, you know, the vegetable, you know, right there, man. And cut down everything. Everything cut down. So the best you know, when you know about the farming now, to get your slug powder. I study about it, you know, slug powder is the best. And get it now, before you plant, you get the slug powder. Put on your land, because you plant this evening, you know. And you come back and everything cut down. And you don't wet them as yet. You know, that's how you get them up and show you know. Cut up the pasture and cut up everything. And you can cut up. Can't cut it right now, you know, because it's soft, you know. Soft and green, you know. When you come in, you cut a hole like that. And you know, you just drop off and you go listen cut them when you drop off, you cut them, you just cut away. But when you say with the slug powder around the place now, you can't come in. No matter what you do, you can't pass the slug powder. I'm on top right there. And you catch him in get a vein. Crawl, and there's a little black worm crawl, you know. Them
The little black worm.
worm is like this.
Like scorpion.
And I crawl. Them cut them, you know. Dangerous folk, them.
Everything a cutter.
Cut down.
Anything them see,
Then cut it down.
with green and them.
You can manage it, you cut down. Long as you can't manage it. Gone. But you can't manage it, you more leave it. It's a must, have to leave it. But funny hard, you can't chop it. But if you start like how you plant, you know, you plant and you lose. You get the slug powder. And you're good. You drop it right across the land. And you plant. You know for what? You don't need it, right? It's slug powder, I don't need it.
So every week you drop the slug powder.
Yeah, man. Every week.
Okay.
You know, go see them.
So you have to buy enough salt, bigger your land and enough slug powder you need.
You don't need no. That is heavy, man. I want 1 pound of slug powder. 1 pound of whole heap, you know. That's like dust, you know, in pumpkin. That's something like dust, you know. Slug powder dust. 1 pound of whole heap. So we are a lot of time, lot. Because you got use it to get the crop catch off, you know. But you want it, you know. You know, use it all the while, you know. Just 3 seconds small, you gotta use it because you want to catch. And you want to see the beauty of it, so you have to put the slug powder around the place.
The cutter, them fly. Them no fly.
Something like butterfly, you know. Cutter them every bone. Some of them
The cutter them.
cut, yeah. Some blue one, yeah, some blue one too. Green like the
So you have
grass.
different variety of cutters.
Yes. Green like the grass. So if you see boy, you know, cut. You know, cut it down. Man, you know, so that's nothing. And I can tell you, so see how plants, that is buggy. You know, so you have something go on now. And later you come back and you see now do so well. You come look around my car and it's dirty. You come over here. You see what you see how do it next. Crawl it.
So them know say you're right.
Something go on now.
Something go on.
Yeah. Something go on now.
Maybe there's something in the dirt where them sense, you know. Like how ants attracted to sugar.
No man, you are bugging in the dirt, man. When you cut them, man, you're in the dirt.
But man, I say if
Dirt, you can't manage up a hot dirt, man. You know, it's in the dirt. Cool bush there, you know.
okay.
And that's something green, you know, something like rest. You know, a night they walk, you know.
Yeah.
A night cut out, you know, look at it. Afterwards. Cut out.
When you wake up, wow. And when you wake up, put a gun with your thing.
Everything cut down.
Wow. You see, that's the first lesson I learned. To learn from the teacher people, see him there? Great Linky.
Cut them and mash it on. Get it out. Cut them. Anything, find me tomato. You have a slug powder, because the cutter don't want to come on. Because it's soft, when you just plant tomato soft. But now the tomato tree getting harder and harder. You cannot manage it. You know, with you, you can't manage it none at all. It's tough now. Them mouth can't bite it. You can't manage it at the time. Yes, I can't hold enough seed paper to plant the old place. There's careful buttons there. In place there.
Well, do more down there, so.
To the corner.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to kill up these then.
So if you plant 4 spots of sweet pepper, like 4, You know, can plant something at the middle too.
I'm not planting seed, but I'm show you this. Show you this. Come on, use man use one. I use one. You pass the price. Can't take a whole it. I tell you. This one. I want seed for whole. See it? Can't take a lot of seed for. Salad. I'll show you something. You come here with the finger. The finger you use in the whole. Start the job. You can put it in the road. You set in one week. You can't keep it down. Body can't do that. I know about this. I don't know who. I'm putting it down. Yeah, come now, I'm all in my way to this up. I'm spot them. You're more if you put the grass on him if you want to look good, you know. You're more the first, you know. When you move to a profession like you have about this thing. Yeah? I have about this. You get it dirty when closer. Good. Water, you see the water pan you know I'm on that. About the water you see I sprinkle up. I want a bit of thing on that. Girl, you see the pan you can plant a lot pan it.
You're good to go.
Yeah, I'm plant a lot.
So this is probably probably 5 crates.
Alright, yes. See my foot. And that's a cool and nice look. Happy kitchen. So you play dirty wet. Dirty cool and nice. Yeah. Yeah. More that yeah. You see people nice. Staff up. Squeeze the road. And with a lot. See them. Worry. So. You come and start using.
Oh, I'm planting some carrots over here.
Line up sheep, I plant line up here. Like that, you know. Gone, put this off and I do this up. You know too much of that. Gone, see it? And set it. So the plant is pretty side. Yeah. You know, I want that. I supposed to make a plant a calm grammar like that. So it is. Let's come and speed in your woods today. Line that you know. You know, bend up the line, but you can't go through it today. You have to pick out some sheep people top. When I do pick out the slow actually the bucket pan. You comfort now, lick off. Come back and you put one more. You will hold for sheep for stuff. A lot.
Come on.
Yes.
No sweet pepper.
It's cool too. That's cool and nice. That's the same types of hot pepper also. Hot, really hot band pepper. I'll look for it green.
Yes, sir.
Yes, man. Nice, man. 50 man. Mat up there. Scott Bonnet, you buy sucker. We have to have a man put in there. I even tell people I come up on the van and look up and say, I say, wow, yeah, man. I say, boy, that's dry. It was green. Dirty good, nice, dirty tough there. Dirty are full of juice too. Dirty are wet up. You know, dry out. I don't have to move here.
You know, sir, the grass may have cover in it.
You know, if you cool some and tell about the grass, that's a sentiment region.
Yeah.
When them plants kill and them pad it. Everything, you know, how we know go up and not be the certain way. Sentiment now. Then get planty. All the way they want it. And pad the back. Pad back the dirt to it. Pad back the dry grass to it. Yeah, man, so then. Oh my god, that in there. Pad back the dry grass to it. In farm. Farming, uncle. You say about when I think with a potato and the best farming.
What that?
Quick crop. You see, I'm going to the market for quick crop of the best. Hot pepper, sweet pepper, pop chow, callaloo, pop chai, right name feet. You want to call it pop chow on it, pop chai, right name feet. And let me soak it. Nice. Lettuce.
So what the most expensive vegetable?
Lettuce. I can't name. I'll tell you more expensive vegetable now. Broccoli.
Yeah.
Yeah, expensive.
Them plant it now for Jamaica?
Side mostly. Woolly, broccoli, deer. Broad like that, really tall. Cauliflower then. The people who time people say cauliflower. That's the right name for it. Broccoli, right name for it. Broccoli. It's a nice new plant. My dear vegetable. And lettuce too. Lettuce are dear, you know. Most old people buy them. Love it because bitter. You say bitter good for you. It's a talk about it. You think that bitterness, you're good.
Good, yeah, it have bitterness, nice. Yeah.
Capture bitter, if you not back now.
Yeah. That's good for you, know.
Yeah, I say, boy, bitter, and bitter. Eat it, eat it, eat it.
Yeah.
Refreshment. Yeah, man. You know, you're planting seed pepper now and the hot, it's not hot pepper, which happen like that, man. Man, you can't plant a nice person and plant. You must cure what's one man. Actually, we come and weed have to feel make it look good. And plant, like I say, plant hot pepper, man, and go hype on it, man. You say, you can go, that's how you can focus and look on it. When you come to land, I say, you got cookie, hot pepper. You plant hot pepper right now, you know. And the market feeding them. Remember saying, pepper sell 24 cents a week, you know. You remember, you know? We work with them fried chicken and chips, you know. They buy bags of pepper, you know. Sometimes, bags in the middle, enough money, so enjoy about a man time, the white bus. Chinaman, them see Chinaman market. Bags of pepper, bags. So I say hot pepper now. And the hot pepper is a good thing to plant. Once you can eat the seed, nice something. Hot pepper is nice plant. Great.
Good. Reason why I like my heavy pickaxe car, when me lift it, me want it to drop itself, you see me? It save the energy. If it once, it drop. The other people, them, sister, we are do it.
Yes.
Imagine when we are reap. You know them are going to see it. And them are going to happy, you know.
Yes.
Them are going to say, yo.
You make a good life, you see?
Yeah, remember when Linky and Randy.
I said it. The farm, I said it.
And we are going to the market too, you know. And I did it right there, you know.
Yeah.
Sweet pepper. I do this because I respect and love my grandmother.
Yeah, I tell you, it's a sea paper, because I didn't see it, I want it.
My grandmother, you know. And the real farmer. And she it's Billy, you know. So I'm using my pickaxe for the exercise. Whew. Jamaica good life. It's on my first round, you know. You see, the more I do it, the more I get fitter. The people them not after me no more, no Linky. I'm not going to allow them. Not because I just starting at the life. You doing at the life. How? You see me? But now make them laugh after me, man.
So I'm going to be nice, I see people.
That go nice.
Yes, man, bossy.
Bossy? So we're going to spray for kill the bug them. Organic more and going now. Here's what we want to have. We're going to use Epsom salt. We're going to use neem and baking powder. We're going to try 1 pound 1 row. 1 pound 1 row. I'm going to use ashes too. And we're going to use the slug around it. We're going to do everything.
Oh, come on, these them, and they're going to take like stockpile in your room.
Stockpile.
Yeah, man, I'll go some bit.
You see, I'm going to get the goat shit.
So I'll pack it up for you with some of the coal manure. Yeah, you have this dry one. You come and trade that road and start sweep with the water.
Yeah.
While start catching and start swell and start soak it and swell.
And then we're going to plant some carrot. Yeah, go set it right, Linky. People are gonna know your name, you know. I'm gonna say the great Linky do that, you know. Look on the pepper them, man. Green and the international brother. The whole world are gonna know, you know.
Very nice.
You see how you take it easy? Yeah, you see. You're both time a champion, you know. Just take it easy. We don't use enough energy, you know. See the teacher, the people. And the teacher that. I'll get a youth. So you used to be a ghetto youth.
Almost. Yeah, that is sure.
Talk it loud, Linky. You say you used to be a ghetto youth.
Yeah, man.
Are the farming save you?
Yeah. Change up the system, you know. You know, say food have to eat. Everybody can't be the same thing.
Yeah.
Never.
So the streets save you?
Yeah.
I mean the farming.
Farming.
The streets was a bad life.
Yeah. Farming a good life, you know.
Farming a good life. Streets a bad life. But you still use the street energy to protect you in case.
Yeah, man. So you go.
How old are you?
It's 27, sir.
What are some of the things you need to move forward in your life? Tools, what you need. If you had a dream as a farmer, what is your dream?
The dream now where I know me that one. As a farmer now, I want to land for one work too. Nice to land for one work, because I know we can't do it, you know.
Yeah.
Now the guts, you know.
So if a man abroad have a piece of land,
Yeah.
you will go for distance go work it?
Yeah, man.
Camp out now and tent?
Yeah, man. Alright, man. Just like to walk up. Right, you know, you have one out, you know.
If people have yard, they want to plant up trees and things and gardening for them yard, them can hire you, them can get a weed whacker for you and hire you.
Yeah, man. Can do that landscaping, everything, man.
If man have tree for chop down, them can get a saw and hire you.
Yeah, that is sure.
So you for hire.
Yeah.
But you know left Jamaica good life, you know.
Huh?
You know left Jamaica good life though. They will hire you but don't leave.
No, we not leave. No, we not leave.
Don't start talk bad pan where you start, you know. Enough you'd start with me and dash me away, no brother.
No, we not dash you.
Don't do that.
We not dash you. I not show you at all.
Thank you, sir.
I not show you at all.
Come and make you global and make the people them know say you come from the streets and I want them to hire you.
Yes.
So that you have an income. You don't have no family yet.
No.
You know, so enough woman not firing them like a strong farmer. Enough of them want to come back home. What age woman you look for? You laugh now. What the age range? You know, age range.
Alright. 28, so.
Gone on up?
Yeah.
And at 62.
If you get the SCP, yeah.
All in the 62-year-old woman, Linky say, age is just a number.
Yeah, man. Reality.
If she love you, she love you. If you love her.
Yeah, man, I say go.
So what's the oldest woman you've ever dated, Linky?
Me? 30,
30? Okay, so you never reached a 62 yet?
No.
And what that'll be a new experience for you?
Yeah. Holy experience. That'll be a holy.
They will teach you good, you know?
You learn a lot too.
Yeah.
You learn a lot because we ain't know them will tell you, you know.
Them will tell you.
Yeah.
Them will take care of you, know, like
Yeah, and get up on the right,
them kind of woman they will.
get up on the right grounds too.
Oh,
you know?
Lord.
Yes.
But could make us stick with 52 though. Because we don't want you to kill nobody. So Linky there, Linky said no matter your age.
No, it's just a number, man.
Age is a number. You see me young, 27. The man want to start. So when you pass relationships, why you break up? What was it your fault or?
I do my fault because woman never want one. You know, so woman you go to say you like you go to somebody and you want to be. So the woman you can't put everything in a woman. Neither.
Okay.
No. You betray you. You betray you.
So you've been betrayed?
Yeah, already. So.
Okay, so you kind of step back and easy.
Yeah,
No, you move.
Definitely.
But you still know say you need a woman in your life and a
Yes,
youth.
yes.
Somebody strong.
Yes.
Somebody truthful.
Yeah, man. That is a must.
Are you a truthful person?
Yeah, man.
What month you born?
December, the 2nd of December.
Okay, so he's a calm youth. What are the things that get you angry?
Huh?
What are the things that will get your mother angry?
Well, you have to jam out, you know, I just get mad saying, I don't get mad now, you know.
Yeah.
Like, no. I really, I part of get mad on people, and I never try that it, so you have to jam me out, man.
Yeah.
I have to in things.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You know, so I get a wife and a man in a them nice, you know, them work together on the farm. So you need a farming kind of woman will love farming.
Definitely. I come here and say, Mama, I go on the farm this morning. What you going to plant? So I plant peas. I said, I put cook all night then too. Because next day I plant the peas alone.
But enough man use woman to get married on paper, you know.
Yeah.
Are you one of them users there?
No. Nah, you have to use so I don't want to use me neither. I'm not my sister, I look now.
Okay.
Body, we're picking to use him, so I mean, I don't want to people who are picking to use me neither.
Okay.
I'm smarty picking is like I'm smarty picking.
Got it, respect.
No, do that. Out of your way. You're out of preparation.
So your grandmother value what she passed on to you. What were some of the wise things she tell you?
My grandmother? You know, so I don't really know. I want my grandmother, I know still.
Yeah.
I certainly know one of my grandfather, you know, because I don't really know my daddy mother like that, daddy like that, you know. I go see tomb. And I tell me, say, and the old man that.
So Manchester you born and grow?
Yeah, my father from Senti, Red Bank.
Red Bank?
Yeah, father from Red Bank.
You still go around there, no problems?
Red Bank? Yeah, all the while. I'm a little boy now.
Can you travel throughout the whole Jamaica, no problem?
No problem, none at all.
There's nobody looking for you?
No.
Police not look for you?
No. I don't want to be a clean boy, clean citizen man.
Clean citizen? You're not afraid to go nowhere?
No way. I mean, I put back on my head back. I'm not nobody.
Have you ever lived in Kingston?
Kingston? No.
Okay. So he's a countryman?
Yeah.
Do you know Kingston good? No.
Kingston good? No, not really. I got St. Thomas and them place there.
Yeah.
Overall. I don't really go Kingston.
Yes, sir.
Westmoreland, West, and Darlington. I know a couple of places as well. Yeah.
Linky, the great Linky.
Yeah, man. Farming to the world, man. You know, in Jamaica, good life, you know.
See there? We found one more guy from the
farming
streets.
Easy. Farming not hard. You just put your mind in it and say, it's a farm, you go do. And see a success quick.
Well, sometimes you feel big. What's the feel of thing about? Because enough man tell me say, yo, Ran.
You feel in the farming?
Why them feel sometimes?
More time, my father got tested, you know. It's a field, you know, we are doing farming. Farming, more time you win.
You win more than you feel?
Yes, some more time you have a good feeling. You plant a crop and you say, why, not be too bad, this is cheap, yeah. Quite good. Good season. Father God bless you good, you understand? When He bless you good, you give thanks. So, when you see the season bad, you still give thanks. Because He may work with, He may have a farm, you say, so. Time will come in your plant again, you get better. We expect, so you get to 50 lap on it, 100, 130. So it's gone big, man.
So God you farm with?
Yeah, Father God bless you. Yeah.
Got it.
When we watch plant Indian, you know, first time people plant Indian, we know come and say, this is the day for plant, that is the day for plant. Plant right too. First time people come and plant right too.
Can tree grow right through?
Right too. When you watch the time, you have very important time, you know, farming. Just plant it. And then Father God get a good harvest, that's a good harvest. Now get more you can do?
No.
Now get more you can bear. That's His Father God, now get more you can bear. So farming now, I love it. And your land can walk up a certain amount. I know I can't do it, I'm not time I open that tier early. Early, I can get up and 5 o'clock plant them and people up and plant them and suck and something like that. I have go back a bush look more. And later on, I like them at time. Just go back a bush now. Again.
Oh, so you...
With a plant and everything. Look around. I sit and look around and look around on the field and everything. You know what I mean? So I go on the right to try to get the right. Put it on the right track all the time. Farming are the best, man. Rural, I will feed, I will feed the rural, man. Get it, you know. Look what people are eating food.
Yeah.
Look what people.
So schooling, did you finish up school?
Me?
Yeah.
No, you say me, boy, me not tell you like mother. I'm a mother, me want, me fall in the go school to want in hell. No? But in school, I was mother holiday alone. Stick around, because my daddy go come time. Sometimes I see him. My money come to go to school. You don't see him.
Okay.
Am
I alive now?
Yeah.
You know him now?
Yeah. More time I'm going to can't find him more than 3 days.
Yeah.
Or 2 or you understand, depends on she have, you kind of want to wish she has in school.
Yeah. So when did it stop? What age?
You know, so I start at school about 14.
Eh?
Originally.
And not just farming from there, sir?
Yes, straight you know.
Wow.
Yeah, hard work, black factory work. I'm tired from the boy, first I used to start a black factory work. I used to work on a black factory every time. Yeah, we hand mix system for a long time.
Yeah.
Long time. By the time I was about 14, I said, see if I got it. I go to school, man, and have it, mommy not work. And he can't go to the way, and my old man, we feel look out now if he say, boy, get some money, go to school. You know, the backpack, drop off. They are the way back all the while. So my old, you know, when he can't find for 2 days, 3 days for me go to school, so my brother go 2 hours next. You understand? It's stressful. Yeah, the money and I say, boy,
did you turn on street youth because of that, or?
Yes,
how
man.
You end up
yes,
on...
man. You end up on this cheat, man. Holy part, yes, cheat, man. On this cheat, learn a lot of things too.
Yeah.
I think we don't move on the cheat, but on the cheat, we learn it. Most of the people are me, so we can do now.
Yeah.
Cars and everything.
You can rough cast?
Yeah, man.
You can rough cast?
Yeah, man.
So you can rough cast that room there for me?
Yeah, man, we can rough cast, man.
And then you can smooth it after?
Get it back smooth you want it. You can put back render in the color, render.
So you render too?
Yeah, you can render.
Mix cement, render, boom.
Yeah.
Only you know do tile. So any man can hire.
We can do the steel work too.
You can bend steel and all of that.
We can fit up a house here for a foundation.
So you know it?
Yeah, we want to fit up if your house dig out now for a foundation, we can come fit up for you. Just call me and come
That's it. So
yeah, around price. I'm saying, you say XYZ for that.
Yeah.
I'm tight up for you. And you get fear man come cash, you know. I steel work, you know.
Okay.
But we do steel work now. You have to get the next man for going cash, you know. Cash your foot.
Yeah.
That you know wrong.
Yeah.
But when you lay black, everything just come connect back. Everything just step on normal already. No coil, no type foundation, no this.
So the goat pen we build foundation, I easy thing that for you?
Yeah man, I want, yes man, easy man.
I will never know Linky say you have. And you can use chainsaw too.
Yeah man, easy man. Nothing hard there, just one time, you know.
Yeah.
I drive my backward, you know. I operate, I can't do anything, you know. I operate, you know. You can't drive backward, you still drive, you can't operate, you know. You can't cut our road, you know.
You know, say
that is me learning, you know.
a big man I go adapt you, you know, brother.
Yeah,
Come man have them house down here, them want to take care of, them business.
Yeah man, drive my backward, man. So what thing with the man. So I on the street, I say, I talk about factory 14 years so long now, I'm 27 now, check it.
Black factory.
Yes, I'm over.
So you even know if you make black?
Yeah. Machine. Every time I hand a chew night to show long, I work on the factory, long time, long time, good while too. Put it messy. About 18 years now, without working.
So how you spell your name?
My name?
Linky.
Linky name is my nickname. My real name now is Gavin Bent. Gavin. Gavin B-N-T. Bent.
Bent?
Yeah.
So your family are Bent?
Yeah,
a big family that?
Yeah, man, Bent a big family, man.
So big up the Bent family.
Yeah, man, Bent overall. Anybody is a Bent, me and my family. Because I never try to look no Bent yet. I just ask you. For your Bent, your Bent. For your man, that's how I get it.
A special name that you know, brother?
Yeah,
Bent. That's a unique name, man.
Bent from Red Bank.
So this is Marvin.
Gavin
Bent.
Yeah.
And Linky Lenky.
Yeah.
Gavin Bent. 07, you're the lucky one. And where you get the name Linky from?
You know someone lady give me, one woman? Yes, my youngest. Give them take, I will do for him one time, and I say to me, I look so lanky. I found that. You know, come on from me, you know. You know, really, you know, come on, and when we go, me that a man will hear man, I say, Linky. That's true that now, nobody doesn't come my real name, so again, I but you know, really, you know. Linky, why go on, I mean, the man will tell me,
so you're go up, you go power with me, and the people are going to love you, you're going to go global. Then some of the big men, they want to support you, I'm going to link you with them, but you me say, don't make nobody put things in your head.
No, man, me type of youth, me taste me type of tooth, man.
Okay.
Me I fear youth, you know.
Good. All right,
Honestly,
please.
you know.
Loyalty are the key.
Yeah, that is me.
Good.
Yeah, man.
Because the way your energy is, enough people are going to want to help you out.
Yeah, man, I tell them, man, if I give me time, give me time, all man in the coffee, nothing. Man, they start running upon them, go on, and I tell them, no. See there. And you know, if we can't give him something serious right now, we look on the time if we just, if we send the guy to school, we get certain things too.
Yeah.
Certain things we done. You can't do that, you have to learn, you know, certain things, you know.
Mm-hmm.
At school, you have to go. Certain work, certain papers, certain application, certain things you don't want to do.
Mm-hmm.
Can't do it, because never done school right. So I just call it a day, I just go and turn to the farm, you know, and just do what I can do.
Mm-hmm.
Just start plant up, save life, you know. That's what I say, everybody can be the same.
Yeah.
You have lawyer, you have doctor, you have teacher, you have nurse, you just get it.
Still, man.
Just go to the farming, because I know I can do it. I mean, anything in the farming, anything you put, I can do it.
Wow.
You want 5,000 for the can go and
Wow.
I can do it. I have the guts. I tell you, farm, if you have guts, you do farm.
Guts.
Mine, I'm sick.
You could have been a great football player, but you could be an athlete, you know. Did you a cricket?
Cricket, I'm going to ask me to play cricket good enough. Every school I want to play cricket fine.
Yeah.
I look at the minutes are big.
Mm-hmm.
Play cricket for my school, man. It was the cricket I played though. Cricket overall. We play with like we play against that school.
Mm-hmm.
That school come back and play against it. Cricket is not, yeah, that's a nice thing, cricket. That boy man, that man cricket so very, very nice, man. But as I tell you, say, if my old man is not doing it for you, you know? But I don't know Linky neither. Linky might be Linky, you don't know me, yes, but boy, Linky don't have a good opportunity and boy when I say could I start like and look something you say boy that can't go on. I'm a virgin this way, I'm a virgin this way, like come and know. You know what I mean?
So anybody that build them house, them can link you and make the man them hire you.
Yeah man, if come type it on the foundation man, type the steel man. Me can type the house here man. Take it a foundation. With steel man, just cover my nipper. And my cutter, and my steel cutter and everything.
Keep your phone charged, man. Alright.
Yeah.
This is Linky on Jamaica Good Life. We found another street youth who I work with to bring him to the world, make the world know you.
Yes.
So you have all your tools. You have saw. What you have your.
Me don't we tell me now. I sit there. I cut the steel, you know. I steel cutter. I don't have him. I use axa.
So you need a steel cutter.
Yeah, I get one with a glad. I'm a glad feet. I'm a nice. I appreciate it.
Mm-hmm.
Bam, and the steel cut. And you're good.
Yeah.
Let's straight.
But go link you up with King Ming.
You have to meet. You have to shoot the axa. So,
okay.
We just go so with the steel cutter and so bam, and you cut one cut and everything cut.
Done.
You have to boy shoot.
What other tools you need?
I want level. That's all I want. I look level them. I want to
level and a steel cutter. That's all you want?
want
The world could have give you much more than that, but that's all you want?
Yeah. Just want a steel cutter.
Okay.
Level.
Got it.
Yeah, nipper.
Nipper.
And I'm tape.
And you just get work.
Yeah, I'm tape. You know, I'm like, if I'm steel man, you want to know you working ahead.
Yeah, you need.
You want to know you working and you have your card. You line up place, you have your card.
Yeah.
It's chingy.
And you level, you have a level.
And level the place.
Yeah.
Because the first steel I put up, you know, you have to put up, the first corner steel like I put up one out the side, and one out the side.
Better be straight.
Yeah, you have to line up, you know, plumb me up. Before you drop in the other one, like I drop in the flat one, so I put one L or whatever. I take one T. I don't have no tie, you tie around too. You say my trouble. And the man can tie a T, you know.
And who teach you?
You know, so one L I used to work with a buster.
Him still alive?
Yeah, but I one on
him still alive?
Yeah.
You know, you still talk to him?
Yes, man.
Where him there? Run away you there?
Run Gaza away. Just run away Gaza.
So big him up, man.
Yeah, man.
Tell him, say, give thank you, Buster.
Yeah, man. I mean, I respect Buster, and I say respect Buster guy in
the teacher.
Yes. Although one hand he have still one hand, I really one hand, you know, one hand can drop away.
Yeah.
So, you know, say, he can't really.
So you still helping now? You still
no one of them, I check him and pan him farm
and give him a strength.
Give him a strength to can raise cow and sheep as
you take care of him.
And him plant him sweet potato and everything. So me one time I run through and check up.
Yeah.
Anything you have to do, he call me. He call me and say, Linky, if it take 2 weeks, if you see me, he not give nobody the work.
Got it.
He might call me and say, Linky, John, no, man, you know, say, call man, me have something for you to do for me, man. Come in, man. I say, hell, when I style me. Real big man like you're big man. You're big man.
No, style.
No, nah, do that. Nah, do it. So it's true that now. When he say Linky, you can't, me go help him. You can't go like more frozen like that. No. Because you kill a hand, you know. When you phone man, you kill a hand. You know you're going to hurt. Flavor come from. Help who do help you, man. Flavor go where?
No, this him. No, this him.
Me say, flavor go where? Flavor come from. You know this people, this nobody at all. No matter who you are, I mean, discriminate people. Because sometimes when someone say, boy, that woman over here, woman this and woman that. But in law and teacher about it, and in doctor and in nurse, and I say, okay, I discriminate. I don't discriminate people, man. Because people are discriminating. Every time you talk. In a certain way. In a life, you know, in a certain way. Because your life and my life in a certain position. But at the same time, you're saying ugly. And you feel about this and that. You look on his son them, and in nice daughter, them a teacher, I say nurse. Well, I say, put man, discriminate, man. A lot of things discriminate, man. Street knowledge. I say street knowledge. You man live on the street. At 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock, live on the street. Now I come over the street. Yeah, street. The street, me grow. I daylight on the street.
Street life.
Yeah, I don't land folk and everything. So, boy, more time, I don't occupy my time.
When the time come, man, me get your hoe.
You believe in that?
Me get you a good machine today. So you got that. I forget your hoe, man. I try to get you the tools. King Ming, see me. I the one there, so we find him. Case Copeland, I have some man in Eccleston, see me. And Linky up next. We have to help out Linky. Make him have him tools. Man say he need a steel cutter and a level. A simple thing that enough man watch the program. Them a go fight to help you. Cause this is how we change Jamaica, you know. We don't want you to go back a street, you know, brother.
No, man.
That can't, you know.
No, man.
We want to get a nice woman and a youth.
Yes,
and know say you
you
can pay you can pay your rent. You can pay your rent.
Yes, right.
And you can look for buy a piece of land later. Lease land. Acres. In 3 years from now, you're supposed to have a van. You're supposed to have farm upon farm.
Definitely. Because I know I can't do it.
What do you mean, sir? Hey, me have a youth when name. You will go man to go be for man saying you go work for a man.
Anyway, man. Anyway, man.
Me have a youth when name Kevin, man.
Work, saying the work, yeah. I did not work, you know. Yeah, man, did not farm, yeah.
You say you drive backhoe too?
Yeah, man. Did not farm.
Dead in the farming?
Yeah, man. I say it, I'm going to bother man, I say this in the line, you know.
Yes, sir.
Just stay on the farm. Free be a farm.
But whatever you do, brother, stay humble.
Yeah, man. But I always stay humble. Always. You don't have trouble me. That is me. I mean, I'm see him, I'm Linky, I'm see him, you know. Yeah, man, nothing, man. You don't find no part of man, I'm see him, man. No bad vibe, I'm me, see him, man. That's what I stay. I Linky, see him, man. If I feel no, I say, and that's what I hurt any day. I'm me. Just go and do me at the same time. No, yeah, one day, fix the most bright, man. I'm tell you, if I got nine give you can be, you know. I might tell you, you know, you know, nine give you just like some people are so for long, and I say, boy, John, you know, say, I'm so fast, so keep me carrying on, man. Let me go, make him go relax. I say, you go, you know. So far, I got to
my time now, Linky. Give me the pickaxe, you hold the camera. Yes, my father.
Yeah, man.
Mr. Linky, you're article. You see, now me I learn from you.
Yeah.
I take my time. So I have the whole for energy.
Yeah.
To go all the way. But did I go too hard, you know. You are both and Jason and Gaza bring me back, you know.
Yes, now but then everybody still got different, you know, guys. Some dig for my wall and still. Not some dig my wall.
Yeah.
So everybody work different, you know, in a farming, you know. Anything in a farming, you know. You have a difference, you know. You have to have a difference.
Not everything.
Yeah. If I feel the first.
Nobody not the same.
No. I never tell you, say, boy, you can't do it. No. You can't do that. You can't do that. You don't believe in that. No, can't.
But I like the word can, you know.
No, I mean, not try it. You have a
chip. Man say can't.
Can't, what that mean?
You know me say, but how come we go moon? How come rocket lift off of the ground?
The man charge you.
The camera make sure it's straight.
Yeah man, you right pan you man. And I say,
They say, how come rocket go off of the ground? And you say, you can't do it.
mm-hmm.
How come we have submarine underwater?
Yeah.
And you can't?
So me say you can't. You can't until you say that.
What was one of the hardest time in your life?
Me and talk you know.
Yeah. Time when you had it rough.
Yeah, time is nothing not go on. You have to just go on. Nothing at all, nobody not call again, nothing, no work, nothing.
So you want
thing
corn
now.
meal? What do you always have?
Well, call me, that good meal. That good meal.
If your
You
house
think-
not have nothing, what will you find for it? Potato, roast and potato.
Draw some banana porridge, man. I guess I draw some banana
Well,
porridge.
camera straight.
Yeah, man, right, pan you, man. You draw some banana porridge, man.
Not even sugar in it.
Well, if salt night, you can't drink, you know.
Salt.
A little tip. Don't laugh, man. If salt night, man, you can't drink, man. What you have, you know?
You eat dumpling with butter.
No for that meat, man.
You know what things that made it hungry one time in my life? One time we did so hungry, you know. St. Catherine,
Yeah.
Charlie Mount.
Yeah?
And my brother used to farm, you know, lettuce, pop throw. St. Catherine,
Chin.
St. Mary, Portland. Man, we farm. One time we did hungry, you know.
Yeah.
Banana chips, I forget the banana like I didn't know the house. Banana chips.
Banana chips, you just fry crispy.
And so we invent banana chips, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, we did hungry, you know. Father didn't ever come in. And that's when we know what life was about, when the hungry liquid.
Yeah.
We used to run boat at Charlie Mount.
Yeah?
You mean, man? One thing we know about Jamaica, everybody share. Food and nothing.
No. You don't really care about food, man. If a different thing now, you know, then gabblish pan that.
Yeah,
Gabblish
but
is pan
food
that.
are at the least of Jamaica.
Yes, man. At least.
That's what we know.
Yes, man. Food they are
Food at the
overall.
least. But when you did not grow up, what did you dream to become?
Well, I say me that come to I put when I have to say, you know, but I mean, we just call that man, you know, because we just go on from the farm, but I talk about the police again, we just call it off.
Do the farming.
Yeah, because we just go in the Babylon system, but I try. Sisters and boy, I'm going to try the police. I say, sister, you know, say, I don't think I'm manage because I stand amongst the red dot and I'm going to can do. Everybody can be the same.
No.
Because we have to feed them too, you know. We have to feed them now, you know.
Yeah.
Just-
do the right thing.
Just where they, the one who get ticket with the young say, to make a good farm, a good life, you want to take people from the street and bring them in the farm.
Yes.
So why, it's so easy, you know, about approach, you know, something more again in the sky. Alright, sir, have a nice day.
Yes, yes.
I say you go.
Yes, yes.
You understand? You can't go and take it a man with a farm, take people off a road go farm.
Yes, yes.
If you make them eat chain because them see when I buy the food chain
Yes.
they see when I buy it.
People see him there, the great Linky. We start with the sweet pepper, we're going to finish the lanya. Then we're going to reach over the other one. Then I'm going to leave him in charge of the other one. And my tools them, I'm going to lend you my tools them while I travel. You see me?
Yeah.
So you can have it for work, you dig? I like to see things get done. It's a time and planting work together, you know.
Yeah.
If you have land, you must always have something on it, you know.
Yeah, anything from
Plants is like your children. Always have something to take care of. Every day. Keep your mind sane.
Keep your mind steady.
Yeah, because every morning you know say you have to go take care of something.
Your mind steady.
Whether you have a job or not. The sweet pepper them are baby now. I can't plant them yourself and then dead.
No.
I don't like nothing when I plant dead, you know, brother. It means say me never pay attention, me never take care of it, and me do the tree wrong.
Yeah.
Am I supposed to buy the slug? Am I supposed to protect it? Am I look a baby them? So, how come them dead? Me's not a good father. You see me?
Come on, man, yeah. Anything you plant, you take care.
Anything you plant and it dead, you're not a good parent.
Take care, right.
And you have to get the right nutrients. Whatever you have to do, forget it.
Get it done.
Fertilizer.
Get it done.
Yeah. Cause you look a baby them. Them a depend on we, you know. I look how we just plant them and you know say with a good tomorrow I'm gonna go get the powder you say, right name? Slug. At what time the latest farming store closed today?
What time is it now? After 3? Before?
Yeah, so.
Early morning get it better for you.
Alright, so me get it. Come I don't want no slug for touching none of them tonight, you know.
Sorry, you don't get it.
Eh?
Last one. You got it the last one?
The last one there.
Right near to my stand.
Run at your place?
No, right, no before, right in the town,
Yeah.
The last one. Man, it's slug, man. Finish plant it, man. Chop out the hole and go with it. Plant it, do it, put it up, turn on the bed, man. Turn on the sprinkler, pan it and catch. Then I think, no, my money sitting in there, man. I have to catch it, change the harpoon. Very carry, keep it fine, I tell you.
Yes,
Jai, see Jai come back in and nobody not plan on catch cap. Catch cap as you're there.
Yeah.
Any other thing. Catch crab, sweet pepper, hot peppers. I see hot pepper I tell about. If you want to catch it now, you see, I have it. You couldn't believe. That's a boy Linky boy, you know me attack say. You know the family Linky. Hot pepper we shot. People want. Supermarket want it. Pepper want.
Spray.
And keep the tree green and keep the tree powerful.
2020.
2020. It come now, it come 2020. This last said this you're going.
And what time is when you start? When do you spray that?
In time catch.
How often?
I can spray this a week. I spray one time this a week. Yeah. I can spray Monday. I spray out Friday again. The couple days apart. If they see it, I like it again. And the back then make it white, you know. 2020 just train I jump. I was training I jump. There's a man. Run nice sprinkler. I can mix nice sprinkler. With nice water, sprinkler out there. It's salve out, you know. Get the water and go bluish. Just salve out the water, you know. Get the sprinkler and just run it. Run nice sprinkler. And boost the same way. Look a bit of thick wash in it.
What did thick wash do? What did thick wash do?
Thick wash. If I see some plan is color do it and some white bat on it. Leaf and some white bat. Like fungus. I keep the plants in clean.
Thick wash.
Thick wash. Yeah.
So them things they won't kill you.
Kill you?
You feed the cardo.
Cardo? No pepper on the cardo. Pepper. Nah, you the man. Thick wash nah, you the man. Couple days nothing man. Thick wash and we are still, you know. And we are still the plants, you know. Just keep away the button, keep the tree clean and green and have it cheap. You can have the pepper farm long.
Okay.
As I'm telling you, right pepper keep pepper cheap. I come go back to the farm and we see how we got right pepper on the tree. I said, let me kill the tree.
Right, kill the tree?
Yeah, right one. Green pepper don't kill the tree.
The ripe one?
Yeah.
So
ripe
then,
pepper kill the tree overall.
Then if the ripe one, they all them sell ripe pepper on market?
They pick ripe and green, you know, sell it.
Eh?
They pick the green one, they pick ripe and green, and they sell pepper. Ripe pepper there and the green one, you know, see pepper in. We have the leaks, sell the ripe one too.
Okay.
Like the green one sell different thing and the ripe one sell. But now I know some people just mix it. The red one, ripe one with the green one, and sell the same way. You understand? Ripe pepper there. As far as God see it, good blessing, good harvest.
Yeah man, me give thanks for your support.
Tomorrow I set off, dig out yourself, get your sucker plant.
Yes, I. And then you said the slug thing.
plants.
So what do you think we should have planted just now? Come on, Makalu, Pop Chow.
Plant the Kalu, yes, sir. Plant the Kalu, yes, sir. Plant the Pop Chow.
We're good with stone.
Let me see the plants. I plant it. Kalu, you can't put them on. No, you don't know, man. Kalu, you can't plant them. You clean up, you know.
I see him.
Stone can't tap it. Stone can't tap it, you know.
And you see him 2020, you say?
Man, keep it green, man. I'm fresh, man. I want to clear myself from weed. Clean up that man, we don't know when you come for it. We don't plan when we just go on.
Wicked Linky.
Yeah, we come to this one.
We want to clean up this and burn the thing.
You have them, throw over this one, the bushes.
I have cane this, you know. I have some cane to plant tomorrow.
Yeah.
I have a whopper cane, what more do? More line them off.
Line them in a line.
Yes.
Right up.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow we come to this one. It's start clean up on us, you understand?
Yeah.
I'm going to bleach them, man. I'm come here to farm, you know. I'm going to bleach them. Start clean up this, yeah. And you know, I have to put them on, I'm going to tell you this. And then kiss the work and work the same.
Mm-hmm.
I miss your farming to the world.
Mm-hmm.
No. Never run no work at all.
None.
No food that. Not to want no machine. I'm handy with you.
Wicked.
And get you that. Kill it and that's it. Kill it good. Anything can plant up on the side of your plant. It's
Yeah.
hot pepper.
You know, sir,
You get two actually hot pepper and say, you know you get some hot pepper.
you think some cane would have looked good there, sir, too? No.
No, it will go too tight.
Good. So now, a two plant may have this, so. Okay.
You don't want some hot pepper, please.
Hot pepper.
The sea pepper. One picking, I pick hot pepper and sea pepper.
Start sow them from now.
Yes, man. So we can't bed up ourselves too.
Yeah?
Can't bed up our bed.
Hot pepper bed.
Anyway, this one. Clean up on nice spot and buy and sport and chip and the seed them and sow it. And wait up the same time. Soak
With the
it.
color though.
Soak it.
Want to get some beets too.
You can sow the hot pepper, the calusi.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I plant hot pepper and plant calusi. I say, I say, no budget. You sow everything and trim it. The place pretty.
Yeah, man, we start, you know.
All them I say.
You see the whole place. Someone clean off the good bamboo them. Both of them, yeah?
I'm going to tree so the time being. We don't want to lose. I'm going to see the tree
Yeah.
there. Lean them up in the car, lean up water, run off of them. You know, right?
Okay, so we can lean them up on this too.
Trees.
And plant some church up on them.
Yeah. I lean some so. I lean some so.
Yeah.
I lean some so.
And burn the trash then.
Because it's around wall and green. You put some so on the cheek. No,
Yeah.
go and catch up in
You see how my banana them a bust out. I water them every morning, you know.
No, come on. Really?
Yeah, man, I give thanks for your strength.
One good day, so one good day and I can't believe it. 4 o'clock in the morning, you have to have 4 o'clock. You see a month of work on the whole place is clean, and the place will run through it. Pack up all the more of them.
Yes, sir.
Clean up it.
Mm-hmm.
Clean up the bushes.
Do me a favor, bring the cherry tree come now. You see, there's some mint in our cup in the kitchen. We'll plant a cherry tree, people. Alright, now see that bucket there? So now help me out, Linky. Yeah. I think more I'm planting the cherry tree over there, so. You think over here, so? Or over here, so? This side? Right, just some more I'm planting. Bring the two of them come. Yeah, and pick it. So we have a orange or lime there, so. Let me dig though. So now, the mint they can plant, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
You can't hit up plant, but you can't come out.
Two type of cherry tree, you notice? A two different one, you know? You know, are the two same one? Just like that, I just drop that in the wall. Just like that, right? People surrounded there. And the master Linky, and the teacher. We get different kind of mint and I want them money off a catch. So I make the teacher plant them. You have to give the man him rightful place in their life. And the master teacher from age 14 in my farm. It's an honor to work with you.
Can do it. What's his here?
You know, I have to go protect the, I have to go fence them around cars. Go to eat them. See there? The great Linky. Boom, cherry tree down. People not find if you don't want cherry tree for grow. Mint. So when you come home and retire, let Linky know. If you don't want cherry tree for go. So you don't think the mint too cold, you don't think?
I don't know. Yes, man.
So it's I'll grow up tall and I'll grow in at the bottom. I could put the mint. You man look at space. Yes, right, that's because them tree I never did.
Beside me, let me show you a plant here. Man, everybody can plant in the kitchen. I'm unlucky with it. Unlucky with me everything.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, skip this guy come. Bring it come.
Now what Cersei too, you know. Put that Cersei next to the mint. Put that boy here next to you. So you have to put him sideways. See the Cersei there. Yes, pray that Cersei and that mint catch. You smell it too. Pull out them 2 trees there for me, that one there. Yeah. I'm not going to get me.
Pass it on. Pass it. Paint on that big one. Let's sit there.
I'm going to put some dripping system on them, you know. A buckle with water.
Yeah. And catch.
No, I'm going to leave alive.
A nice tea bush, a nice tea bush.
Oh, Linky, you don't know about that one there. You never did see it.
No, a nice tea bush.
I'm a planted, Linky.
A nice tea bush.
You're not big up over the world and the people must say, Lord, no! Wait there now, something else there, so you know, I mean this, you know.
I mean, let's get
But I'll kill out my thing there now, Linky.
Yes, Father, good hand bless you, know, give him good harvest, give him good bearing, mean to apply now. Meantime, I say.
Almighty up.
What if
see one. We have a different type here, so. See two different types there. And you have one here, so. Ah, you see that one here? So you can drop them in this. Why you make it sideways? You make it you make the eye, them multiple eye.
Yeah, make it catch.
Yeah.
Catch quicker. I mean, you can't get a sucker and I mean, you talk about right here.
And the same sucker, then you just keep cutting off and plant.
Yeah, man. See, Planting dog, right? Good. It's fire. Oh, now start, man. See my shoe here. Body will pitch. Body will pitch.
There's people. I think I go take care of the garden for me.
We're going to weed up the whole place and more of the orange tree. When I weed out things, man, so you see things green and green. More fruit, more vibes. When I come there and see things in clean around, more vibes.
Yeah. Well, we really have to go protect them. That space here. Some delicate trees there, so. What is there, so? I mostly just this. Some delicate trees there, so. I have to go fence it around with some goat wire. Have to. We don't want to see the garden get destroyed. No accident, you see me? Yeah, man, get some.
It's pretty. Be a green is out. Anything green light. I come on the plant. Right, honey. This pushing in the jar. I'm coming tomorrow. I don't want to keep it off. Joke the place. Easy. Go too hard.